How to use Macs on different devices. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser and search for hbomax.com or just max.com if you want to stream in your PC. As you can see, you will see an interface like this where you can just enter your email address and your password. Then just click on the sign in button to start streaming on your PC. Similarly, if you're using an Android device, you can easily get yourself the Max application via your Play Store. If not, you can check it out the Max website as well. Similarly, if you are an iOS user, you can get the Max app from your App Store or Safari. So this is how you can stream your Macs or use your Macs on different devices. All you need to do is basically check out the Macs website or get the application, enter your credential of your Macs account, then enjoy on each device that you prefer. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.